Question number 12, Richard Prosser.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. My question is to the Minister of Conservation. What was her reasoning behind approving the transfer and release of silver carp near Lake Taupo?
Mr Speaker.
The Honourable Maggie Barry.
Let me make it very clear that I have not signed an approval to transfer and that I have only signalled to the company approval if the applicant and DOC reach an agreement on risk mitigation and on potential penalties.
Supplementary.
Supplementary question, Richard Prosser.
To the Minister, is she completely confident that silver carp pose no risk to our trout fishery? If so, why?
The Honourable Maggie Barry.
In terms of the applicant and this particular farm, and I will keep it specific to this, the DOC Technical and Science Advisory Team have advised that this company has gone a long way down the track to mitigating silver carp staying within the ponds. Silver carp and grass carp, as the member may know, are breeds of fish that will not breed in New Zealand waters unless they have hormonal injections. So there are very many reasons through nature and through this applicant that would cause our DOC staff to say that this is one of the safer applications, but it has not yet been approved.
Point of order.
Point of order, Richard Prosser.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. I seek leave to table a NIWA document from 2013 highlighting the risk of silver carp breeding in the Waikato River.
Leave is sought to table that particular document. Is there any objection? There is none. It can be tabled.
Supplementary.
Supplementary question, Richard Prosser.
To the Minister, what evaluations have been done on the potential impacts of silver carp on New Zealand's freshwater aquatic environment, including the potential impact on our trout fisheries?
The Honourable Maggie Barry.
Mr Speaker, I'm confining my comments to the application that has come before me as the Minister of Conservation. As I said earlier, these fish do not readily breed in the waterways around the Waikato, let alone into Lake Taupo, without injections. So in terms of mitigation and risks around our fisheries, the wording that our team has used is that the risk to our fisheries and our waterways are highly unlikely and that there is a low probability of fish escaping. As I said, I am confining my comments to the application that is before me as the Minister.
Supplementary.
Supplementary question, Richard Prosser.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. To the Minister, is she aware that silver carp compete for the same diet as trout smelt and that they can grow to 40 kilos in size?
The Honourable Maggie Barry.
That may well be the case, Mr Speaker. That is not what you were asking in the primary about the notification question that you gave me and about this particular application.
Point of order.
Point of order, Richard Prosser.
Thanks, Mr Speaker. I seek leave to table a paper published by the Department of Conservation in 1999, which, among other things, says that proposals for the use of silver carp should be approved for experimental purposes only.
Order. If it's a published document by DOC in 1999, if members want it, I'm sure they can find it. We move now to questions to members. Question number 1 in the name of the Right Honourable Winston Peters.